We live in the most connected era ever. So why is Gen Z the loneliest generation? Hi, I'm Matteo, I belong to Gen Z, and today we'll try to resolve this paradox. According to the World Health Organization, youth loneliness is the new global pandemic. It can lead to mental health problems such as depression or hikikomori. Young students and workers living outtown are most affected, and there are no effective solutions because other meeting apps focus only on dating or adults. So let me present Sbam, the freedom of approach that Gen Z seeks. We want to help young people to make new friendships in the way they feel most comfortable with chats, events, and groups. They only need one thing: bots, the app token. So, how do users get bots? Brands that want to reach Gen Z can give them bots in two different ways: premium licenses and banner ads. In addition, all users can get free bots by interacting in the app. And does it work? Yes. To date, we have acquired over 15,000 users and 4 paying customers. But what makes us unique? We focus only on young people, giving them more ways to socialize, and we use AI and gamification in order to keep the community alive. Our market is social media, booming after COVID. And since humans are social by nature, the need to socialize will be even more essential for future generations. So that's why now it's time to act. We are three co-founders with complementary skills and background that with a one shared vision, a more sociable world. To date, we built a growing community in Italy, a ready product on market, and a clear plan for expansion. Sbam will be the vaccine for the isolation pandemic. To date, we are raising 250,000 euros mainly for marketing, and we are looking for educational partners to grow faster. So the initial paradox is resolved when we balance the utility of technology with the importance of human relationship. So please join us to stop the Gen Z zombification, one friendship at a time. Thank you very much.